Welcome to Me.Wired. Here you will learn how to use the guides that we've provided for you. Just go to our website www.mewired.com and click on Let's Start. If you are navigating on Chrome, you will be taken to Chrome Web Store, where you'll be asked to install Newired extension. Click on Add to Chrome and confirm it when the system wants to add the extension. You'll see a little green symbol to the upper right of your browser, which confirms a successful installation. You can also install the extension for ENG. After the installation, let's go back to Me.Wired page. And now the button Let's Start is called Guide Me. A first Me.Wired journey explains to us what we are seeing on the screen. It takes us down where we can see all the applications where Me.Wired guidance is currently available. They've been divided into categories: all, school, family and work. But they are work in progress. You'll always see new applications being added to this page and new guides being built for you. By clicking on any of the application icons or simply visiting any of the application URLs, you will see Me.Wired guidance. Now let's choose Google Drive and try some of the guides with you. Just follow the welcome screen and I'll choose a guide that interests you. Here we will learn how to share a document. Just watch the GIF, click on Next, and you will have learned the process. Let's go now to Google Hangouts. Here we have another welcome window. From here we can launch any journey in the menu. Let's try start our first chat. Me.Wired guides us step by step into the process. Now we just need to choose a contact, click on it, and our chat window will appear. We've completed the process. You can also start any journey by Me.Wired from the launcher, the help triangle at the bottom of the page. They are always available there whenever you need them. And next, by selecting any of the processes shown in the list. We now selected how to make a video call, and we can see all the steps we need to know. As a last example, let's go to Amazon and let's learn how to search for items that we want to purchase. But remember, these are just a few examples. There are many other platforms waiting for you at our Me.Wired website, and some more to come. If you like our project and would like to contribute, click here. You can help us by suggesting new applications to add, sharing our journeys, and creating or translating content. Me.Wired, it's everyone's opportunity to embrace digital services.